Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the rugged world of the Timberland PRO Men's Gritman Original Fit Insulated Bib Overalls, designed to keep you warm and comfortable in the toughest conditions. These overalls are crafted with a durable, water-resistant fabric that stands up to the elements, making them perfect for outdoor work or adventures. The insulation provides exceptional warmth without adding bulk, ensuring you stay agile and efficient no matter the task. With adjustable shoulder straps and a range of pockets, these overalls offer a customizable fit and practical storage solutions for all your tools and essentials. Reinforced knees and a double-stitched construction add extra durability, so you can tackle any job with confidence. Whether you're working on a construction site or exploring the great outdoors, the Timberland PRO Gritman overalls are your go-to gear for reliable protection and comfort. Don't let the cold slow you down. Gear up with Timberland PRO and conquer your day with ease. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.